Right, here we are with a 2016 Holden Colorado. This one's got a load area. Tools have been stolen in the past, so I'll stop and show you what happens. So this is protected by the PR sensor in the back. That's just picked me up and the alarm's going off. So we'll turn that off and I'll show you the rest of the alarm system. So obviously nice and loud. We've got an LED there and that's flashing a fault code for the canopy. And inside the cabin we have ultrasonic movement sensors that look pretty tidy up there. So if you're a tradie and you're in Wellington and you need your tools protecting, especially with the insurance cost these days, if you can even get insurance, hit me up at vehiclesecurity.co.nz.